What's up everybody, this is A1 and all, and I'm gonna do a review on Metal Joe number 6, Musashi Rock. Comes with an instructions manual, sticker with chrome background, the lock itself, MJ06, and 2 keys in the shape of axes made out of metal, so they're pretty heavy. So with this lock, use one of the keys and turn it clockwise 90 degrees. Now you could pull it forward. Now don't take this key off yet until the whole transformation is done, because if you take it off you can't continue the transformation process. So next you bring the legs down like that, turn these 90 degrees and then bring this down, and after that continue it so this doesn't scrape off. Same with this side, 90 degrees, straighten and then turn it some more. Then you can bring these arms out till it snaps, bring it down and forward, down and forward. The head. Now you can take off the key. You can't take this piece off, so it can't hold both axes, one sword and one axe. And that's Musashi Rock. Simple figure, 1984 Japan, Bandai. He can bend his arm on the elbows, move like that on the shoulder, and you can also turn the arm a little like that. Give him a nice pose. The head can't move, and the legs could only go sideways. You cannot bend for any knee. You could have him standing on a rock. Here he is next to Legends Megatron. He's just slightly taller. He looks almost like Straxus. He has an awesome axe, kind of like Transformers Fall of Cybertron Optimus Prime. Now his whole body, including the shoulders, is made out of metal, so he's pretty heavy like the other locks. He has Beast Machine's tanker head. I also like the colors they chose on him. Yellow, blue, light grayish, cream, orange, painted on the sides of the leg. Kind of sloppy, but these are not knockoffs. I guess you could store his axe there for extra chest power action. Thanks for watching.